woke up. I'm still sleepy. Okay, so it's been a week since I moved, and it's been a process. Like a good one. Like it's been like, because we needed to like settle in, and I'm still working, so that's why I haven't filmed in quite some time. So today we are actually just going to go for breakfast right now, and then when I come back I will give you the house updates. One of the things that I'm really happy about is if you remember last time when I come to KL, I will go and see my auntie in Kajang, but currently where we live is actually quite close to Kajang, so I'm so excited. We are just about 15-20 minutes away. Makes me so happy that I don't have to drive like for 3 hours to get there. So we're gonna go for breakfast. We're gonna go and just drop by and say hi to them and the boys, and yeah, then when I come back we'll just go through what's happening at home, updates about what I've been doing, my work situation now. Okay, now let's quickly go wake up the dogs because they need to drink water, they need to do their morning routine, and then we can get going. Titan. 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 Bailey, good morning. Good morning. Hi guys, so I just got back home. As you can see, it's already dark. This was not the plan for today. So what happened was, once I got to my auntie's place, I was there. Ivan left me and he went out to do some work. I thought he would come back early and then we'll come back and do the house update and all that stuff. But so happened his meeting ran a bit longer than when he got back to my auntie's place. We sort of just hanged out and played with the boys and all that stuff. So I just got back. I've ordered some food and I'm waiting for my food to arrive. And yeah, so I think because it's already like night time, I will do the house update tomorrow. We have church in the morning, so excited for that. And I'm actually just trying to figure out like what movie to watch. I'm feeling something Hindi today, like I'm thinking of Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, but I know it's a bit of an emotional movie, so let's see what we actually pick out. Hi, it's Monday. So I was actually supposed to complete this vlog yesterday, but yesterday just got away from me. Like the day just got away. I went to church, I went to my aunt's place, we had lunch there, we were hanging out with them for a while, then we got back, we ordered some food, we watched a movie, and yeah, that my day just flew by. So I'm doing my house update today on Monday. Alright, so this is what has been happening since I moved in. So the day we moved in, we managed to get everything in, I think by, I want to say 3 to 4, and then I spent the rest of the evening just putting things out of the way because everything was right. I've actually just written down what I want to say. If I can't forget whatever I want to say. So I just spent that evening putting away stuff from the doorway because everything was sort of like brought in and kept there. So I started moving things designated to rooms. So If stuff needed to go into the guest room, it went into the guest room. If stuff needed to come into my mom's room, came into my mom's room, and vice versa. The only room that I didn't touch on the first day was the master bedroom, because that was like my bed was just cramped in there. So the first day we just let it be because we were so tired. We slept with the mattress on the floor. I mean, it was messy, but when I woke up in the morning, it was so surreal to wake up in KL, and it was so exciting. Then I spent the rest of the day sort of putting away stuff here and there. The first two things I did the following day was put the bedroom in order. So I went out, bought some new sheets. I put the bedroom in order, and I set up the kitchen because I had a lot of non-perishable food that I wanted to sort of arrange with plates and stuff. So I did the bedroom and the kitchen first, and then the rest of it I sort of progressed like as the days went by. So now currently what's happening is my room is set up, my wardrobe is all done. I have put away all the clothes, so I don't have like clothes in suitcases, so that's done. The guest room is set up, but I just need to get a little bit more things here and there, like some decorations and stuff, like mini stuff, and some pillows for the guest room. My mom's room is pretty much it because it came with some furniture. So now the only room that I've not touched is my beauty room, and because I've not touched it, I'm not filming like makeup videos, like current makeup videos. The ones that you're seeing on Instagram have been pre-recorded. Why have I not done it? Because I don't know what I want to do with the room. Like, I'll explain to you what's going on. So come, let me show you how everything looks like. Okay, first up, so this is the entryway. If you can see, I've got like some boxes lying around. That's a frame Lakshmi got me for a house with woman prison. So this is what I'm planning to do. Let me move at the back. I want to get a console table right there so I can hang this up on the wall and get a bunch of decorations from Kaisen. So I have already found a table that I need to order. I was just measuring out stuff, so I'll show you what I'm gonna get. Let me show you the beauty. Okay, you guys, this is what the room looks like currently. So you walk in and everything is sort of still in boxes. If you can see, I need to sort this room out. I don't know what I want to do with it. Okay, so one of the reasons why I don't know what I want to do in this room is because this room doesn't have an aircon, and I usually need an aircon because when I film, if the fan is on, you can sort of hear the fan. And yes, so that's actually primarily why I've not unpacked everything. I've been thinking if I want to switch this one with the guest room out, because the guest room actually has an aircon, but the guest room comes with a guest bathroom. So it wouldn't make sense to like sort of make a guest stay in a room where there's no bathroom, since I do have another room with an attached bathroom. Do you get what I mean? Like, I don't know. I'll show you the room in a while. But I'm thinking this is going to be my background. So I sort of want to set up this room to be my like my happy place. This is the wall. This is going to be the backdrop. I do not know what I want to do with it. I'm still thinking. I'm thinking of like twinkly lights and a couple of canvases here and that would be really cute. I'm also thinking to like maybe get a couch over here to make it like really cozy where you can just come in and play with makeup and stuff. I need to get new storages. I've already seen them. I just need to order them because everything is sort of just everywhere. Yeah guys, so this is what's happening to my beauty space. Let me show you the guest room. So this is the guest room. You see, it has an aircon there. I sort of use this space in the morning to get ready because there's already a mirror in the wall, which is really cute. And yes, so yeah, so the guest room actually needs space, and you see it comes with like a bathroom. So I don't know what to do. Okay, so this is the shelving slash console table that I'm thinking of getting, because there is storage space, and it's actually longer than the other ones that I've seen. It's 130 ringgit, which I think is really, I mean, it's okay for like a console table. But the only thing with this is I need to figure out what I want to put here as decorations, because I don't like things that look super clustered. I actually like things to be hidden away. So this would be interesting to fill up. Yeah guys, so that's what the house looks like currently. There's a major thing that I need to sort out is my beauty room. I miss playing with makeup and I need to sort that out. Can you give me ideas down below? Like, should I use the guest room? Should I maintain with that room? Is there a way to cancel out the noise of the fan? Ideas for backdrops, like what I can do for backdrops, that would be amazing. Okay guys, so that's about it for my house update. I'm thinking the next one, like house themed, would technically be an empty apartment tour, because even now I can't show you a lot of things. If not, I don't need to do like a apartment tour. So the next one in the house series will be an apartment tour. Give me some time to get that done, because I need to get some decorations. I need to get the table, a couple of things here and there I want to put together. So once I get that done, I will show you what everything actually looks like. Thank you so much for watching until here. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!